back to my YouTube channel Admirable Nandini Art and Craft. So today I'm back with my video. So today in my new video I'm gonna show you how to make easy DIY birthday greeting card, and it's my humble request that please subscribe my channel and make sure to hit the bell icon. Please in the comments and in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my upcoming videos. And yes, don't forget to like and share, and yes, give your feedback in the comment section below. So let's get started with the procedure without any delay. So take here two color sheets. First I'm gonna work it on the purple sheet. So take here ruler and pencil compass and just measure 3 centimeter on the ruler and just draw out a circle over here. Now with the same point just measure 4 centimeter on the circle, and with the same point draw out a outer circle over here. Just now after that take here a pencil and draw here a flower shape after over the circle and complete it all over. So cut out this outer shape using scissor. Now this shape is cutted. Now I'm gonna cut this inside one circle using this pinched cutter. So this shape is cut. Now let's move to the second step. Now same measure 3 centimeter on the compass and draw it. Now draw it over here on the paper, and sorry for the inconvenience. Now again measure 4 centimeter over the compass, and with the same point draw out a circle, outer circle of 4 centimeter. So just cut out inside circle. Now I have cutted the outer circle and inner circle from the paper. Now I am gonna trace it over the hard cardboard. So just trace it using pencil. Now just again cut it as I have cutted the pink one. Now I have cutted it again on the cardboard. After that take here one plastic sheet, and you can take it from your plastic bags, or you can also prefer here the plastic covers which you usually use in your notebooks to cover them. So keep this plastic cardboard on the plastic sheet and just trace it using black sketch, only the outer one part, not inner one. Now cut out again this shape. See, I have cutted the plastic one circle. Now let's decorate the card. So I have taken here a A4 size paper and I have folded in the shape of a card. So now just decorate it. So first of all, stick this cardboard and stick it in the center, not too down. Now stick this pink one as shown. So now I have sticked it here. Now let's stick the plastic bag. So first of all, now to give it a shaker card, so fill some white pearl or any other pearls inside this. I am using here the small one pearl, this one size. So that's enough. Now I'm gonna stick it, the plastic bag, over this pink one sheet. So stick it. Now to cover this part, I'm gonna stick these flower one. Now let it dry completely so that plastic sheet can stick and adhere properly. So now we will move to the fourth. After that, take here a piece of yellow color paper and just fold it into half and into another half, and take here a die cut out heart shape of any size, and I prefer here you can use here the size small, not too big, and using pencil trace it over the paper. And now using scissor cut it out. Take here the pink paper of size smaller than it, and using Fevicol stick it as I'm showing on this right one side. Now just take these hearts and stick it. Now stick hearts in any order like this, as I am having total 6 hearts of the 2 each color. Now take your black sketch or black marker and give them a delight of a balloons, and here you can write any fish, as I am writing here be happy. Now, and at the outer you can write here birthday wish. So this is ready now. I hope you all like the card. See how beautiful it is looking, and I hope you all like this. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications. And yes, and try this tutorial once and gift it to your dear ones. They will like it most. Thank you. We will meet soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.